to keep its members at least latest technology advancements. ACEIT has live organizational members of IETE. Total more than 250 students from ACEIT are members of IETE.
In coming time, they will be leading the country, and we will see their lead. What we have seen yesterday also, a youngster come into a lead of the country. Exactly what we are going to introduce and what we are exactly talking about, today is the day we are celebrating 149th Information Society and World Telecommunication Day. It is started with the advent of our telephone system, and we are starting the society as an information society. Exactly, when we have a communication through a very strong media like electronics media, we will have
two things are more they put in. Well, on the this occasion of Telecom Day, I invite you to the society, and we are celebrating this day every year on 17th. On communication and about communication, its usage, its importance after.
I welcome you to World Telecommunication Society Day, and Dr. Rajesh sir has told we have some slides to share some information regarding broadband. So after that, after completion of Rajesh sir, I will continue with my few information. Thank you.
Information Society. It has a key principle for equitable and universal access to the information and knowledge that in turn empowers people to meet their aspirations and achieve their development goals. So ITU therefore committed to achieving universal access to broadband connectivity and to foster the potential political will needed to achieve this objective. This year on World Telecommunications and Information Society Day, we focus on the theme Broadband for Sustainable Development. It is now well recognized that digital development is a transformative tool to fast-track sustainable development. In order to realize its full potential, it is essential to roll out high-speed broadband.
We have programmed for the number of operations like a sitting gesture, standing gesture, forward walk, exercise action, and for the bending action we utilize the servo motors to provide the bending action.
So you will be. It's very important. There are few areas where students right from the first year or second year they are interested and make your existing systems as a smart power system. Renewables are coming up. They are coming in a big way because we are short of conventional fuels. So we are looking for non-conventional energy resources. How to handle those things? How to connect it? These are some challenges. Signals. You go to medical science, your doctor, when anybody gets suffered from an injury and all these things, then you ask for certain tests, you have medical imaging and all these things. These are part of signals, and I take communication, again, it's a part of a signal systems. Robotics, you have seen one demonstration there. Students are very interested in this domain. It's interdisciplinary area, but again, a communication is again a part of it. When we talk about a real-time robots, which behave like humans. Power electronics, you have inverters, switches, conversions, and so many things are there. Then control systems, wireless communication, and there are so many areas. So few slides on certain topics where a lot of improvement in communication is required. So it's a certain areas. This one is a project which is working at Ohio State University. So some part of from there. We need a communication. We need a reconfigurable wireless nodes. We need environmental mapping for various kind of structures. Then we need a wind control systems. We need processes, manufacturing, data mining, medical science, servo mechanical, biomedical, distributed intelligence, sensor nodes, mobile ad hoc network. Today's world, you take any example of engineering, you will find a communication is a backbone of it. Existing system with a communication system make it more smart. Some of these slides, these are the various projects going on throughout the world. People are talking about these things in a different way. Here the demonstration, they explained it that they are using IR sensors and all these things. How these sensors communicate, how they pass the signals, how those signals are interpreted. It's either you go by wired or you go by wireless system. It's the area of a communication. Because when you go for more accurate systems, you have to talk about any data loss is there or not. It's an integral part.
Now, we will discuss the broadband estates in India. That is the main agenda of ITO. Also with the theme for 2014.
Now we are going to start our paper presentation competition for the theme Broadband for Sustainable Development. Let's talk about the previous year where a person used to reload a simple website page. The speed of internet is so slow that he could prepare a coffee for himself. But now the time has changed. Today the speed of internet is increased. But today's question is how to use this property to invest its development, broadband and its applications and services for economic
then we install it in a hardware. So it's a relay driver equivalent. When this code will get high, it sinks the current and then operate the relay on a 12 volt, and then it display the main number, which is like 3 you can check. And 4 person are there. The reset from there.
The soul of man is like fixated. So it's a priority to develop our village in accordance to the soul. To develop our ideal roadmap has been improved as effective measures in soil information, better information, intelligent diet. The information about how was taken by
ये सेंसर से
शाफ्ट को इस तरीके से रखा गया है, जैसे आ गया तो ये आएगा अगर इसी साइड आएगा और ज़्यादा पावर चाहिए तो
And all the information about date sheet, chart sheet, orders of the code, dates of the judges, and the notice board of the court is available online. Now, what is notice board? High Court for the body is for getting information. All the major jails of India, such as Bihar jail, New Delhi, Kolkata jail, Pune jail, Jaipur jail are capitalized. Any information of any criminal traced from the hard jail, written of details and the whole city is monitored and law and order to remain in the level through broadband as now my presentation
Identify the IC.
anyone from the audience.
Wrong answer.
The abundance of electrons would imply a negative charge.
Correct.
The current through a resistor can be found by dividing the resistor's voltage by its atomic value, ohmic value. Doubling the voltage across a resistor will cut the current by half.
Wrong answer.
Current and voltage have a non-linear relationship.
Correct.
The efficiency. Time out. Time out. Audience. Time out. Oh, lots of hands.
Amplifier.
Common drain and channel amplifier.
Absolutely correct. We'll have our round. This round is over. Let's move on to the scores. Teams, listen carefully. No confusions would be entertained after this.
Google +10, Yahoo -10, MSN 0, Bing 0.
Team Yahoo is competing with Google in negative marks. Okay, moving on to our round 2. Teams, round 2. Are you okay with round 2? राउंड अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, अभी पहले मेरी बात सुनो, पहले रूल सुन लिए बेटे तो। Round 2 is a visual buzzer round. Listen carefully to the rules and then it would be start. Which buzzers first will get the answer. 10 marks will be awarded for every correct answer. Negative marking is there and 5 marks will be deducted. The team which presses the buzzer and do not answer will also get a negative mark. Question will be passed to the audience if our team doesn't answer.
Rules are clear. Audience, कुछ तो response कर रहे हैं. सारे तुम मरी हुई इधर. Okay.
Audience, इसके बाद खाना खाने जाना है. Show some energy.
Okay, start. Team MSN. Wrong answer. Audience.
Running. Time out. Time's up. Audience. Audience. I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. Right answer. It's not the right answer.